Hey, hello, welcome back to Arona's channel. In this time, I want to talk about how to trust your partner. One of the hardest things about trusting someone is learning to have confidence in your own judgment. Mistrust is a form of self-protection, but don't be too much. Sometimes we need to trust someone. Here are some tips to trust your partner. Number 1. Be open. You should talk heart to heart with your partner. Tell them everything about your hopes, fears, and dreams. Let them know about yourself well. Just look at their eyes and trust them. Number 2. Accepting them from simple mistakes. Nobody's perfect. Sometimes they make mistakes also, but don't judge too much. If they let you down, it may not be intentional. Number 3. Be honest. The broken relationships start from lies. Be honest to your partner, even small things. It will increase trust between you and them. Number 4. Listen to them. Everybody has a story. Listen to them well and let them tell you about themselves. Remember, never judge a book by its cover. Just give positive response to them. Number 5. Trust your intuitions. Sometimes you have to trust your perceptions. Your intuition's not always right, but you should trust it. And be sure everything you do is on the track. Number 6. Practice repair after an argument. Your unstable emotions will break your relationships. So set time process what happened. Try to calm down and talk after you feel better. The key of relationships is trust. By trust each other, it will make your relationships be more qualified. Some mistrusts are common. Just handle it well, and you'll find a dream relationships. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.